Here we are having gravitational field inside a solid spherical mass, which is a second method. You can go for the first method in the previous video series. See, this is the spherical mass what we are having, and whose density is constant. Density is constant, and mass is m capital, and radius is r. Let me say the center of this circle, that means a sphere, is at this point O. And here comes a point of interest P, where we have to find the acceleration due to gravity or gravitational field, which is lying inside the solid sphere. Say it is at some distance, small letter r. Otherwise, the position vector of this point P is this, which is r vector. To go for our derivation, we have to assume a sphere-like thing inside, which is an imaginary sphere drawn inside. Okay, so this is imaginary sphere drawn inside of radius r and mass. Okay, and mass of this one m. So how much should be this mass? See, always the mass is proportional to the volume, otherwise I say so radius cube. Okay, so therefore what I can write, I can simply write m small, that is mass of this imaginary sphere inside, should be proportional to r cube. R is the radius of this one, and m capital should be proportional to r cube. R capital is the radius of the bigger sphere whose mass is m capital. Right, so now I am dividing these two terms. So what I can write, m is equals r cube divided by r cube into m vector, that is m, capital letter M, which is mass of the bigger sphere. Now acceleration due to gravity at P, right? So acceleration due to gravity because of mass at P is Gp is equals, what I can write, it is G into how much is the mass of this material. This material is having the mass this much, which is r cube, into m divided by r cube. And don't forget to write the distance from O to P. So distance from O to P is r. So it should be squared. And this Gp is acting always in inward direction, that is in this direction. Okay, so this is the direction of G vector. So Gp is acting inward. So for that I should say this is r cap. So now that means in opposite direction, so I should include this negative sign together. So r cube and r square is here, that means in the numerator the left terms only r. That is Gp vector should be is equals minus G m divided by r cube into r multiplied by r cap. So what we can write for this one? So r into r cap, right? R into r cap is r vector, which is the position vector of P. So that is Gp is equal to, what I can write further, it is Gm divided by r cube into r vector, the position vector. So in general, if we are having any sphere like this, if I say some point is here, so point is P and here is the center. If I draw some vector like this, otherwise the distance, so it is x vector or whatever it is. So acceleration due to gravity, otherwise the field is always acting in this direction, inward. So G is always acting in inward direction. So it should be written like G vector is equals minus, right, it is a G into m. M is the mass of this one and whose radius is r. So it should be r cube and it should be multiplied by x vector. So this is how you should remember. This is one of the alternative answer for the gravitational field inside a solid spherical mass.